Hi, sir. I'm Om Prakash. I'm from Triple B second year. The topic is control measures of urban solid waste pollution on environmental science. Here, the control measures of urban solid waste pollution and case study of this is the success of the zero waste initiative in Kamikatsu, Japan. The introduction of urban solid waste pollution is urbanization impact, increasing waste production due to rapid urbanization. And the environmental issues on this waste pollution is air, soil, and water pollution. And the challenges on this waste pollution is sustainable waste management in urban areas. And common control measures for urban solid waste is waste reduction at the source by encouraging business and households to reduce waste. And the recycling, recomposting, and the recycling of papers, plastics, metals, etc., and the waste segregation of promoting separation of biodegradable and non-degradable wastages and the waste to the energy. Here, the waste is converted into energy as an alternative to landfills. And the Kamakatsu, Japan, an overview of this is it is in Tokushima Prefecture, Japan. Population here around is 1500 and residents, and the goal to achieve zero waste status by reusing or recycling of all the wastage, by using of all the usable materials come in waste. Initiative start this one in 2003, the first community in Japan to declare zero waste. This one is initiated in 2003, the first community in Japan to declaration of zero waste. And the key elements of Kamikatsu's zero waste initiative is extensive waste segregation of 45 categories of waste to maximize recycling. Community involvement. Here, residents are trained to sort and bringing waste by recycling stations. No incineration or landfills, complete reliance on recycling on the reusing. Here, the reuse and the repair centers. Centers for repurposing items and offering repair services. And success factors in these Kamikatsu Zero Waste Initiative. Here, community responsibility and each resident plays an active role in the waste management. Strong policy and infrastructure, government support and strict waste regulations, and here education and awareness workshops and resource provided for waste sorting and sustainable living. Here all comes under through success factors of zero waste initiative like community responsibilities and active role in waste management and policy and infrastructures and the strict waste regulations and education and awareness like that. Here the two pictures of Kamikatsu in Japan zero waste city. We call it as the zero waste city at Kamikatsu, Japan. And here the achievements of Kamikatsu zero waste program. Here recycling rate 80%. In 2020, Kamikastus achieved an 80% recycling rate and reduced environmental impact of a dramatic reduction in landfill waste and pollution. Model for other countries inspired zero waste initiatives globally. And the challenges faced by this Kamikatsu high initial efforts, intensive sorting and community involvement needed. Infrastructure cost, investment in recycling centers and education, behavioral change, shifting mindsets towards sustainability and was challenging initially. These were the challenges faced by the Kamikastas of high initial efforts, infrastructure cost, behavioral change. And the lessons for other cities by Kamikastas in Japan, strong community involvement, success relies on active resident participation, comprehensive segregation and recycling, sorting waste at a high level improves recycling rates. And the education and policy support in better than other cities, continuous awareness program and the supportive policies are essential. And the conclusion for these kamikazes in Japan, the zero clean city, Kamikaze 2 as a model shows that zero waste is achievable with community and effort and policy backing. Broader application. Urban areas can adapt Kamikaze's model to reduce solid waste pollution. And the future goals for these kamikazes in Japan aims for 100% zero waste and continue the environmental leadership. And this is all about the kamikazes in Japan as zero waste pollution. Thank you.